Today, let's introduce the production process of maltose. First, this type of wheat that can sprout is soaked in cold water, left in a cool place for 1 day. After that, it is drained and spread out flat. The wheat is placed in a cool, dark room to wait for sprouting. Water is sprayed on it once a day to keep the malt moist. After about a week, the malt can be harvested. Workers take the malt out, clean it thoroughly, and cut it into 5 centimeter wide strips. After draining the water, the strips are put into a crushing machine, where they are ground into malt powder and set aside for later use. Once the cooked glutinous rice is cooled, it is mixed with the previously crushed malt powder and water. The mixture is brought to a boil, then covered and left to ferment for a period of time. After fermentation is complete, the mixture is poured into this filtration machine using centrifugal force. The sugar water is filtered out. The sugar liquid is then boiled over high heat, while constantly being stirred to avoid burning. It is cooked until the sugar syrup becomes thick and sticky. When lifted with a sugar stick, it forms a thin sugar film that hardens as it cools. Delicious maltose is now ready.